Hello everyone, myself Chirag Solanki. I had completed my study at 2013. I have 8 years experience of non-IT industry. After 8 years, I want to switch my profile in IT sector. So one of my friends suggested to me about STAD solution. So after some time, having a word with the STAD solution team, I joined them and explored to this field. I joined the process of manual plus automation basic, and both would help me future, and I learned to here how to test scenario, test plan, and bug report the whole SDLC cycle, and what flow is to be followed to work and in IT company. During my training, I got placed into web mavens. I especially thanks to Richa ma'am and Ajay sir. I would recommend it. You will get in touch to State Solution, and who wish to switch to an IT sector and make a career into software testing. Thank you.